On November 18th, the relatability wave is breaking for the very first time. Why? Because all of these experts with me have seen the same thing repeatedly. We see bad behavior. We see people not taking proper care of themselves. We see leaders struggling to enroll their followers into their mission. And we see burnout taking over inside of corporations. So we realize that you as a leader need a reset so you can help your teams properly reset. So we're gathered here on November 18th to make sure that you have the tips, the tools, the tricks, and the right patterns to break the bad programming that we've all had. We're super excited to invite you to join us. We're going to be in Rochester at Chief Financial Credit Union right on Main Street, November 18th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Lunch is included. The website is below. Get yourself a ticket now.